Start of the second set, Signal taking the first set 25-18. Let's send it over now to Ricky Flores.
Coach Sammy is more confident in his team today and was explaining how exhausted his girls were the past few days prior to the Superliga. Would you believe they only had 3 days to practice as a team and they felt the body aches during their games? He has a team of working girls and just one student, he says. And speaking of Signal, you were saying how Venus Bernal hasn't changed a single bit. Her beauty secret is drink a lot of water, and as for those gorgeous locks, the secret is always use conditioner. Noel?
Okay, we'll take your word for it, Ricky Flo.
No, the secret is her jeans.
Really? She's not wearing jeans right now, though. The Philippine Superliga is brought to you by Petron Blaze 100 Euro 4 high-performance gasoline. Meets European fuel quality standard from Petron, the only oil refinery in the Philippines. And Wendy Ann Semana was so consistent on her serve in the first set, cannot get it through.
Well, you know, they should actually minimize their errors. That's what actually gave Signal an easier time in the first set.
It's a good serve there coming from Argarin. Here's Joy Cases and finally finding the line. Again, high risk, high reward, but if Joy Cases begins to click, that's a good thing for Cagayan Valley. And now Lisa De Ramos will be serving for the Rising Suns. Tied at 1 here in the second set. De Ramos. That's a floater that just died in midair.
Total breakdown there for the defense of Signal.
Forget where she last played, if it was for the Philippine Air Force or for the Philippine Navy. So De Ramos, another good one. Argarin almost hit the net that time. Here's Semana on the back set. Jen Manzano loving that utility spot.
Well, that was a 1 versus 1, and she gets the better of Venus Bernal.
Yeah, you know, she has the height to be a middle hitter, but she's more adept at being a utility spiker. And again, I'm still not sure if she's used to playing volleyball with shoes on. So, of course, more known as a beach volleyball practitioner. Here's Michelle Datuin. De Ramos with the dig. Wendy Ann Semana, back set. And a great block there by Michelle Datuin.
Hey, 1-1. Scorecard is 1-1.
For them, but it's for us, it's 3-1 in favor of Signal. So take a look at it again. Check that. That was Venus, actually, not Michelle Datuin.
Yeah.
Getting the block. Michelle Datuin with the serve, however. Semana. Combination now for Cases, and she nails that one. So Cases decides to work now with the entire floor, not just the lines.
Well, you know, she has to. But the thing is, even with that spike, she took one off it. Walang follow through it.
If she had followed through, she would have hit the net. 4-2.
True, too.
Cagayan Valley up by 2 here in the second set. Cases into the net. No, the errors are really piling up for the former Letran/Lyceum Lass. 4-3, Venus Bernal, former UAAP champion with UST.
She just has the physique of a volleyball player.
That's right. So does Sandra De Los Santos, and look at that. That's almost automatic when Sandra goes to the net. We keep on referring to her before in the arena as the future of Philippine volleyball. When do we stop calling her that?
About 2 years from now.
No, she's not the future anymore. She's already arrived. 5-3 Cagayan Valley. Jen Manzano just a little short.
That's 3 service errors for Cagayan.
Yep.
Your coach Ness, you'd be really mad.
Well, those little things, they need to just fix that. It's still early in the set. But here's Rap right now. Also from Southwestern University in Cebu. Jonella. And Semana decides to attack. And again, Jen Reyes, any weak ball is hers. And Royce Tubino just dropping it in.
That's right, a huge hole there in the center of the Cagayan defense. You can look at their positioning, really. Tubino had all day to score that point.
Right.
Nobody there.
Tied at 5. Aguilar. Manzano. Semana. Pineda. Trying to feed Tubino the ball. Semana goes back to Bang Pineda, who drops it in.
That's right, smart tip there by Pineda.
So Bang, you know, the story of her name, you know, she's Sheila Marie Pineda, which is a pretty good name. Originally, it became Bebang, or Bebs first, and then became Bebang, and then it became Bang.
So,
So she stick
favorite
with
na si
him.
Ricky Martin.
I don't know. Bebang? But it's stuck with Bang already. Yes, we have a service ace from Sandra De Los Santos. And her Twitter name, of course, who doesn't know her Twitter name for volleyball fans? Bangnita.
Bang.
There's Venus Bernal, at Venus Bernal on Twitter.
You memorize all their Twitter accounts?
Because we follow each other on Twitter. That's how we keep tabs on each other.
So if I were to make one, what should mine be?
You have never made a Twitter account.
I know.
Oh, nice attack there coming from Argarin. Here's Argarin once again. Running attack from Royce Tubino.
And she does it with a smile.
Always smiling. And who did she shame this time? Let's see.
Who did she shame?
I think it was Bang Pineda and Lisa De Ramos.
The Ramos.
7-6, 1-point lead for Cagayan Valley. Cases, here is Wendy Semana going to Pineda, using the hands of Argarin that time. And our first technical timeout here in set number 2 finds Cagayan Valley up by 2. We'll be right back.